Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a very underrated feature which HubSpot offers and which I see not a lot of companies using, which is the goals feature. So at the start of every year, every business has a set of goals in terms of opportunities created, revenue earned, meetings booked, and a lot of other goals. What I've seen is all of these goals are normally collated in Excel sheets wherein someone updates this Excel sheets by looking at the HubSpot data every week, the Monday of every morning, and then updating it on Excel. There's a feature which explicitly helps you do that. So I don't think there's a need to have a separate Excel sheet to do that. So in this video, we're going to see how to set that feature. So to do that, I need to go to this reporting. I'll click on goals, and over here, I'll create a goal. So it's recommended that you select it from the pre-made templates. You could also create it from scratch, but I think the templates have a lot to offer. So over here, if you see, I get all of these various goals which I can set over here in terms of revenues, meeting book. I can also go category wise. I can select the goals available for marketing, goals available for sales. So all of these are things which you can set. So I'll start off with, say for example, meetings book. I'll set a goal. I'll name this to meetings booked. And over here, I can select these two members. So you can select any number of members. So this is a demo account again. So that's the reason why just two users. But in your case, if you have 3 or 4 salespeople who are making calls and trying to get meetings booked, you can add all of them over here. And the duration would be whatever you feel. If you're going to track this monthly, you can keep it as monthly, weekly, or quarterly. So I'll go with monthly over here and I'll click on next. So over here, what it will ask me is to set targets. So for example, if I want to have 15 qualified meetings every month, so it will just automatically set this goal for all the 12 months. I'll do the same over here as well. Like, so all of these meetings, 180 meetings, 30 meetings a month from both of these salespeople, and 180 a year. So you set the target. I'll click on next. Over here, you can set these notifications so that the members who are involved in this particular goal are notified anytime their goals are exceeded, or they're achieved, or they're missed. And this is a good to have because I won't put missed over here, of course, but having the exceeded and achieved notification is a good dopamine hit whenever you've hit your goals and goal kickoff. I'll click on done, and that's it. So you've set your goals in terms of meetings booked for this particular HubSpot instance, and then you can just come over here at any time. Over here, there's a progress bar, so at any point of time you can see what's the progress of your goals. You can also click on it and have a more comprehensive reporting to check how your team is doing on those goals. So similarly, you can do the same like I showed you at the start for a lot of other parameters for revenues, in terms of ticket closed, a lot of things. So a very handy feature, but not a lot of companies use it because they prefer maintaining their goals on a different system or on sheets. But yeah, you can use this feature to track your goals and make HubSpot as a single source of truth for all of your operations. So hope this helped. Thank you.